It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Reynalyn, do you take Giovanni here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Giovanni, do you take Reynalyn here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Ready for anything, watching the clouds go by, and our time will learn to fly. No matter what life brings, if it's you and me, we're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. Come on, we can be. Come on, anything. Come on, I don't care. I go with you anywhere.
I'm talking in circles, can't get out of my head.
Hello, Ben.
Quiet commercials,
Ano, buksan ko ba?
make the bed.
Dear Job,
And
babe,
hole in your
happy 11th anniversary. Thank you for the love and understanding. I love you. Just enjoy this day and see you in a bit. I love you forever and God bless, baby. Love, Rain.
You still love me more than that. When my skies are gray and my whole world is shaking, to the moon and back, you love me more.
Rain, this is our last day to be single and I'm happy about it. Hope you are also, because finally you can have my surname. From my crush since kinder to my high school sweetheart and my wife to be. I love you, baby, always and forever. Don't stress yourself anymore. Don't worry about how you will look, because for me you are the most beautiful bride. Wow, charity. Thank you, baby. See you later. Love you. Sorry.
Taken to the moon and back, I love you more than that. We may fall, but we'll keep on going. We may break, but we won't stay broken. Through the cracks in the road, the flowers grow. Before you see our storm clouds forming and the sun won't rise in the morning, you should know, baby, to the moon back, I will love you more than that.
Giovanni, you may now kiss the
When
bride.
your skies are gray